Good morning, everyone. Okay. I hope you can hear me, guys, everybody. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. All right. So today we start. Welcome to Sunday workshop and welcome to Naresh IT. And let me share the screen. All right. So the first thing is a few pointers I just wanted to say. The name of the workshop is Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And I do appreciate the students who completed this. No, you don't know. So just stay with me. We can talk everything's in detail. So the few request to all of the student is all of the learner, freshers, experience, expertise, everybody. Please, we will discuss all the question and answers at last. Answers at last. You guys understand? So we discuss everything's at last. Good morning, everyone. So we will discuss all the questions and answers. At last means I will address everybody's question. I will address everyone questions at last because I do know a lot of them have various questions. And if I start the questions, it takes almost 1 hour. So let's discuss today's topic and then we will continue today's sessions. Understand, team? So the first thing which I wanted to, the name of the workshop is NLP Technique, Workshop on NLP Techniques for Language Understanding, Language Generations, Vectorizations, Text Scrapping from XML. So this today workshops contains 4 topics. The first topic is NLP, which is subfield of AI, artificial intelligence, all right? And then second, NLP is classified into 2 types. And the first one is NLU, and the second one is NLG. So what is NLU? Natural Language Understanding, and then Natural Language Generations. So and then we discuss, because NLP technique we understood, and then NLP divide into categorize into 2 type. One is NLU and one is NLG. And the third one we discuss like what is word embedding technique, or also we call as vectorization. What is meant by vectorizations? Just one moment. We discuss. And the fourth one is we discuss how do text cleaning from XML article. Okay, all going to be hands-on, and we discuss one by one. And if you are beginner to see others, the one who joined now, I will talk to you at last. Others, are you getting my point? So I request the learner who raise your hands. Okay, I want you to talk to me. At last. Are you understand? Hussein and Chandu. Fahim Hussein and Chandu. I hope I'm very much clear at this point. Now, what do you want, guys? Do you want me to continue or I'll talk to you? Do you want me to continue the sessions or I'll address your question and answers? What do you want? Can you please acknowledge me in the chat window, please? If I ask you, if I know you have questions and those questions are not technical, getting my point? And you have the basic questions. Can I learn this course? This is all, I don't think so. So let's discuss this one, and end of the day, we talk everybody. Okay, guys. So the learners who raise your hands, we'll talk to you last, and we spend 1 hour for Q&A forum, and I'll address everybody questions and then discuss. Now let's start, guys. So I hope many of them know I'm a faculty of Naresh IT. I'm faculty of Naresh IT. Sandeep Navin, guys, calm down. Don't you understand what I'm saying? I'm saying I will talk to you. Still, people are raising hands. Is it AI? Yes, buddy, this is AI. I will come back all those things. Yeah. So let me give you a little bit introductions. I'm not talk much about my introduction. So what we do, so the first thing is, so I'm a faculty and lead data scientist. I'm faculty in Naresh IT and from last 2 years, and also almost like more than 100 plus students placed under my training programs for Naresh IT students only. Okay, placed under my training programs. And I'm also a Microsoft certified, okay, data scientist, Microsoft certified DS. And also I'm a PhD. Right now I'm doing PhD on IoT and reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. And also I'm also a founder of one of the organizations which I created my own. And also right now it's going on R&D. R&D. And also I'm working as a lead data scientist for one of the European client organizations. European client. And my key exposure are all the advanced technologies like OpenCV, model optimizations, deployment, model building, and all the advanced technology I'm working into this. So still you want to know more about my informations, I want you to follow me on LinkedIn. And if you go to my LinkedIn, it's a detail given up here. So this is LinkedIn. It's not something like Facebook, Meta, Insta. So you can meet with your professionals. You can share a lot of new technical things you can find out. This is all my LinkedIn. You can find me on Prakash Senapathi. I hope you're getting me in detail. What are the posting every day I'm doing for the learners and how many get placed and all those things you can find out from there, guys. Okay. This is not Instagram profile. This is not Twitter profile. This is not Facebook profile, guys. Understand? So this is LinkedIn account where you can meet with expertise and professionals and explore your knowledge towards IT, and you learn what is the advanced market. What is the advanced market? You can find out. Am I clear, guys? I hope this is crystal clear. So this is all about my introductions. I will mention my introductions. This is the first point. Now today I will show you one of the presentations, and let's understand all the presentations and we try to understand what is natural language. Yeah, I do have Git profile, and I will show you all those things. Yeah, I can have, this is my GitHub profile. You can find out. Okay. Yeah. You can reach out to me on this. This is my, all the projects informations. This would be my Git profile. You can find out. All right, buddy. Next step. So I will open the slides, and in the slides, today's topic is welcome once again. Now let's start the course, and I want you to listen well and try to understand what I'm speaking. Any questions, write down. I'll speak with you at the end of the sessions. So the name of the workshop is NLP Technique for NLU, NLG, Vectorizations, text scrapping from XML. So today's agenda, what I cover is first point, what is NLP? Second point, some real-time example of NLP framework, how we install the NLTK spacey, and then we discuss natural language understanding, NLU, some of the techniques like stemming, lematizations, stop words, NER using NLTK and spacey, and then natural language generations, and then we create word embedding like vectorizations, and then we do text cleaning from XML using Python and NLTK, Okay. And eighth point, how NLP is integrated with ChatGPT. So these 8 points we will cover today. I hope I'm very much clear what I'm speaking. Understood, team? Great. Understand everybody? Okay. So the first thing, let's continue. What is NLP? So NLP means natural language processing. So when you say natural language, what is meant by natural language? We have local language and we have international language case. Local means we can call as national languages, and I can say national language, and then we have local language, and then we do have international languages case. Are you getting my point? And data science, I mean, NLP, deep NLP is part of the AI. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence. Speech NLP technique is one of the part of the artificial. How come? I'll get back to all those things. So when I say natural language, what is the national language, guys? We could call as Hindi as a national language. What is local language? Local language we call as like Telugu and Marathi and Odia and Bengali and Tamil and Urdu and all those things, etc., is belongs to local languages. What is the international languages like French, like Chinese, like Japanese, like I mean, etc. So this is all. I mean, these languages we have. We have national language. We have local languages, guys, and we do have international languages. So these languages, but my question, how these languages are understand by your machines, by your machines. See, how do we learn this language, guys? We learn this language because our parents trained. We teach, I mean, we learned all these languages from parents, from schools, from neighbors, from colleges, from this is what we have. I mean, so these language we understand, that's called human intelligence. That's called human intelligence. This human intelligence is given by God to us, given by God to us by birth, isn't it? So when I feed these language to the machine, now machine starts think like a human. Now machine starts think like a human, guys. That's what we called artificial intelligence. This is natural language processing. Okay. And so this is called AI part. So that's why I can call it as NLP is one of the technique of AI. Okay, one of the subfield of AI, artificial intelligence, natural language processing. But again, there is a question is how to feed these language to the machine. How, guys? In the form of framework or package. What is the package? NLTK and SPACY. There's a multiple things we have. There are a lot of packages like NLTK, SPACY, GenSim, and Stanford NLP. So today we in detail explain about NLTK and SPACY. I will little bit introduce on that, and then we go to the continue all those things. So I hope I would better, at least I acknowledgement from you. I hope I'm clear and so far what I covered. So today sessions, we started with a little bit my introductions and what exactly agenda, what we're going to cover, all those things. I give a crystal point here, like what are the techniques we covered now. Yes, guys, so far we done. So now let's go back to the slideshow and current slide. So NLP is field of computer science, artificial intelligence, which interactions between computers. All right. It helps computers to understand, interpret, and manipulate human language like speech to text. So natural language processing understand natural languages, which will enable them to used in many different applications, such as machine translations. For example, if you go to French and you don't know the language, you use Google and type, how are you? So it will convert to French language, isn't it? This is called language translations, which will enable them to use many different applications such as machine translations, information extraction, speech recognitions, text mining, summarizations. So speech also one of the data, text also one of the data. So how the natural language creates, guys? How the natural language produced? The natural language produced from conversations, all right, and also it produced from WhatsApp chat, and then it produced from Twitter sentiments, Twitter sentiment, and YouTube comments and comments, all right, and Amazon comments and Flipkart comments. Don't you think these are the sources where we can produce NL, natural language, guys? Agree to me or not? So these are the resources where. So NLP technology also integrated with advanced deep learning models, RNN. So very simple, guys. When I say data science, it is combination of ML plus AI plus stats. And what exactly AI? The AI is split into NLP, deep learning, and neural network and OpenCV and all those things. So entire data science application. So this data science projects we will build in Python programming. We will build in Python program. We will build in Python program. Right, that's true. Okay, so it's clear. Now go to the next step. So moreover, with the growing popularity of large language models like GPT, so we have many versions, guys, Chat GPT 2, Chat GPT 3, Chat GPT 4. Right now we are using GPT 4. And what are the job designations in the organizations for NLP? We have NLP engineer or NLP developer. I mean, the programmer or the developer who deals with the text data, okay, they are called as, I mean, some of the techniques called text mining, text cleaning, text pre-processing, they will get a job role of NLP engineer and NLP developer. NLP engineer and NLP developer. Now, sir, what is the guarantee? Guarantee means, let's go to your LinkedIn and you have a job tab. Once you go to the job tab, you can find NLP engineer or NLP data science. There are plenty of opportunities we have. Did you see this, guys? All those things. Okay, they're hiring for engineers, natural language processing, perform engineer. Do you understand? And what is the job descriptions they're looking for? And this is what I mean, because my experience is 16-year industry experience, so that's why they're looking for all the things, guys. Team, I hope understand. So as I said, NLP pipeline for processing large amount of document corpus. So today we talk about documents. Today we talk about how we extract the data from XML and create a documents and then make into the tokens and all those things. All right. So clear. Now let's understand sources to generate natural languages: WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, Facebook chat, comments, web API, etc. So that's what I'm saying. Data science is combination of ML, DL, NLP, and AI. All right. So we have many libraries, many packages. The way, see, if you, a lot of them may be new. I do understand some of them feel like understanding and some of them feel like not understanding. So the one who understand, that's great. The one who not understanding, I want you to attend the demo sessions because which going on from last 2 days only. And I'll explain in detail what is the difference between each package, modules, libraries, everything is I give a differences among all those things. If I start explain now, this is going to be different topic. So I'll cut short that one. The one who not understanding, I will give you one statement is how machine understand the language. So that's called natural language processing. And this is one of the subfield of AI. Clear? Go to the next one. And I think this is all those things is live in YouTube. And after that also you will get all these things, guys. So what are the popular libraries we have? Like NLTK, Specie, Gensim, Polyglot, Scikit-learn, Pattern, and TextBlob. There are many libraries we have. Now go to the next step. Now, why we learning this? First, understand why we learn this NLP, where exactly we used in real time. We used many places like language translations, smart assistants, document analysis, online searches, predictive text, social media monitoring, chatbots, sentiment analysis, email filtering. For example, if you want to buy an iPhone from Amazon, so you see the comments or not, guys. So if it's good, that's called sentiment. Using help of text, you find out the sentiment and then you can buy. So, what are the technologies associated to an NLP, like entity recognitions, information extractions, spelling, grammar? Do you remember, guys, when you type in phone or when you type in computer, so automatic the words will be spelled correctly or not? So who done this? Do you think someone is food review? Very good. It could be anything, guys. Text classifications, translations, summarizations, question and answers, emotion detections. And there are more advanced pipelines like BERT, Elmo, Glove, Albert, XLNet, Smallbert, Electra, TS, NMT, and SBERT, XLink. These are the advanced things, guys. So NLP supports more than 200 plus languages. Did you understand what I'm saying? So this is all some applications, and okay, so these applications we can use in entire world. That the topic which you learned, this jobs is not only apply for India, this will apply for across the globe. Did you understand, guys? Now the next step is how to install this. Let's start. As I said, let me introduce NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. So natural language toolkit, guys. So what happened? So once you install this package. Yes, Chandu, what happened, buddy? Because it's almost been a 5 time you raise your hands. I unmute you, please. What's your query? May I know, please? Chandu, unmute you. You raise your hands. Sandeep, unmute you. What happened, guys? I told you I will speak at last. Shivam, yeah, it's not demo, buddy. It's a workshop. Understand, Shivam? Okay. So let's talk about this one. Once you install the packages, how to install the packages? So NLTK is used for natural language toolkit. NLTK used for natural language toolkit. So how to install this? Step one, I want everybody to open Anaconda as well. If you want to do work along with me, that would be fine. Or else let's minimize. Let's minimize. And once we minimize, just go here and you can open the Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook, and let me open this, guys. All right. So today we'll start new Python, and I'll mention, just 1 second. I'll make into heading. Okay. And I can say this NLP workshop at, I think, what is today's date, guys? 25th. 25th. Okay. Now, this is what we done, and this is the workshops on NLP. And after this work, could you please provide the recording? It's a YouTube, Abhishek, and you can get all those things. All right. So how to install? The first concepts we do is how to install. So the import OS, as I mentioned, look at this. There's a two-way of install this packages. So the first step is pip install NLTK, import NLTK, NLTK.download all. You can install this way, or also you can install import OS and import NLTK and NLTK.download. So you can install like this. And once you install, what happened? So let's check this. Once you execute, okay, this is installed. So maybe once you install, what happened? You'll get this pop-up icon, guys. It will turn green, and it's easy installations. There's a two-way of installations using command, using pip command, like here. Go back to Anaconda and command prompt. You can also do this like pip install NLTK. Okay, this is one way to installations this framework. What is this package, guys? Once you install the packages, your machine starts recognize what is word, what is sentence. Do you know in school days when we go to school, the teachers told you, okay, this is word. After full stop, if you write something, that's become a sentence, isn't it? All right. So we start this one. So the first thing, I will have some informations. I will go to ChatGPT and I can about ChatGPT. So when you do this, yes, it is free. You no need to pay anything, guys. It's open source packages. So it's a free, you can do this, guys. It is a once you install this package, okay. And if any issues, no problem, because it's very easy. Just go to open Jupyter. Now steps to install, I already mentioned. The first thing is click on Jupyter Notebook, and then second one type import OS, and third one import NLTK, and the fourth one NLTK dot download. Once you do this, what happen? A pop-up box will appear, a pop-up window will appear, and then download, and done. That's it. Download, the package is installed. The package is installed. This is one way. And other way is, I already mentioned in the slides. If you follow the slides, slideshow, pip install NLTK, import NLTK, NLTK.download all. So once you do this, so it would be fine, guys. These steps are installed. All right. So once we install NLTK, so let's start working on some of the, work in NLTK. And in NLP, there are two processes. For example, just minimize. I will go to the code. So the first concepts which I'll take one of the text, guys, from ChatGPT. Just one moment. So let me copy this, or maybe let me copy this, and I will mention as, one second, AI, okay, is equals to Control V. One second. And then here, enter this, and then we can enter this, and then we can enter this. I take one of the, any of the paragraph, guys. And then, okay, team. So this is, I take one of the paragraph, guys. So I have been taken one paragraph from randomly. You can also take anything from your, your right to your sum of anything about you, and then let's execute. So when I called AI, we get this. Team, did you understand or not? Okay, this is structured data or unstructured data? Anybody, guys? Is this structured data or unstructured data? This is definitely an unstructured data, because this is definitely unstructured data. And now what we do, when I say type of AI, what is the type of AI? It is a string. It is a string, guys. Definitely it is a string. All right. And today I wanted to talk about a little bit, the first concepts which we understand is tokenizations, and how my machines understand what is meant by word. Okay, what is meant by word? We discussed this one, and let's go back to this one here. And one moment. Tokens. One second, guys. Oops, I hope you can't see my screen. Just give me 2 minutes. One moment, guys. Okay, so let me share one more time. Minimize. Let me share this. Okay. Yeah. So as you saw, we'll get the notes after the sessions. Yes, you will get. Now, one moment. So once you go get, guys, once you minimize, so the first thing we understand, and before that, I wanted to discuss few more things, guys. Have a look at this. So what is NLP? The goal of NLP is to making appointments, buying things, spell check, generate responses, all those things, guys. So NLP is divided into two types: natural language understanding, how machines understand, and how machines produce the language. So this is what we installed NLTK. So what is tokenizations? The first concepts is tokenizations. So tokenizations means nothing. It is just an word. It is just word. So what is word? I can say my name is NIT. So I will write it. So how many words this sentence contains, guys? Anyone? How many words this sentence contains? Let's say I have one sentence, my name is NIT. So this sentence contains 4 words, isn't it? Now let's go back to this one. And similar, let's say I can also talk about one cent is equals to my name is NIT, isn't it? My name is NIT. So when I have sent, then how can I make these two tokens? For tokenizations, I need to write from NLTK dot NLTK dot tokenize or not. Click this, import word underscore tokenize, isn't it? Word underscore tokenize. RGB, I will talk to you later. Is that fine, buddy? Okay, yeah. So import word tokenize, isn't it? We done this, let me execute. So what exactly word tokenize? As I said, my machines recognize how many tokens in this sentence has. So let's try this, and I can make into sent underscore token is equals to sent underscore token equal to word tokenize, as I'm copy this one and I pass as sent. So when you do this, now let's send underscore token. So we have 4 tokens or not? This is my is one word, name is one word, is one word, NIT is one word. Team, are you getting my point? And now what is length of sent underscore token? And have a look at this. There are 4 words containing this sentence. Team, are you getting me? Yes, everybody. And now let's say I have one paragraph which is called AI. I have one paragraph which is called AI. So the same way, so what exactly I'm going to do, let's copy and I make it to AI token is equals to AI. So if I ask you how many word contains this, one moment. So if I ask you how many words, how many tokens contains this paragraph, just go ahead and check this, guys. And AI underscore token, let's check this. Did you see? These are words or not? This is one word, this is one word, this is one word. These are tokens, guys. So what exactly I mean by token? The meaning of the token is complex sentence into words is equals to token. So machines understand token is equals to words. And how exactly we split this? There is a package called NLTK dot tokenizations import word underscore tokenize, import word underscore tokenize. I hope everybody understand, guys. NLTK import word underscore tokenize. Clear, guys, everyone? Okay, so when I say clear, it's better. You can respond. So if you don't want to respond, then can we get recording of these workshops? This is a YouTube live, guys. So yes, of course, that would be recording in YouTube, isn't it, Nachiket? Yes. So next step, go to the next step. So what is the length of this AI token? What is the length of AI token? So the length of AI token is, check this, 60. What is AI? So I pass this paragraph we have here. What is type and token? What is its type? It's token or list. Shivam, very simple, man. If I ask If I pass only 4 words, it would be a, you can get all this output, isn't it? It'll give a list data type. All right. But if I give you more than 60, you cannot return in one row, right? So that's why it'll print all those things. I hope you're getting my point. Yeah. So length of the AI token, which we have is 60 words. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Even the comma and full stop also considered as a, why is dot also considered as a token? Definitely, guys, means, see, that is inbuilt parameters. That means, let's say if you buy a car, some car has reverse gear as in fifth one. So if you ask why the reverse gear is, means what? So that means the system considered by default functionality, inbuilt functionality. Rakesh Yadav, are you clear or not? Okay. So I hope you're the new to the Python programming. That's why. Next step. So we covered what we done so far. We done so far tokenizations, and I will make a note of it, mark down. So tokenizations, we are completed now. We are completed now. Now the next step is I wanted to see a little bit work on some frequency distributions. I wanted to know how many times each and every word repeats. So for that, what we're going to do from, from NLTK dot probability. Did you see there's a probability? Enter and NLTK dot probability. When you shift tab, what is probability does? Classes for representing and processing probabilistic informations. The frequency distribution used to encode frequency distributions. I hope you guys heard about frequency distributions, normal distributions, Gaussian distributions, probability distributions in the some of the statistic classes. And I can say import, and import I mention as FREQ, frequency dist. So when you say frequency, let me check this. Okay, it's good. I mean, let's pass this one fdist as I can say, let me copy and I can pass here frequency distributions, and we can do this. Sandeep, what happened, man? You keep on and off your hands. Unmute you. Yeah, Sandeep, unmute you. See, guys, you can use chat window. I will talk to you guys. Just calm down. Please understand. Okay, thank you, guys. All right, now the fdist equal to frequency of distributions, right? We're done. Now I wanted to see that I need to write one loop that I want to know. I wanted to know that how to get each and every tokens, how many times it repeats. Thank you, Mithun. So for word in AI underscore token, I will write one for loop here, and using, I wanted to know fdist frequency distribution of word to word tokenize, or maybe I can change to word dot lower and then dot plus or minus equal to 1, because what I'm doing right now, I wanted to know fdist. Check this out. So I wanted to know Ramanjanelu, unmute you. What happened, buddy? Ramanjanelu, any question to you? See, guys, very simple, straightforward. I'm saying, guys, we will discuss later part. No need to worry. I know some of them here for just casual. So I'm looking for the students who really understand a little about NLP, and so for them I'm talking about. Please understand and then stay with me, and we can talk about that. Let's go back this one. So here, no problem, Mohammed. What I'm saying. See, this is a beginner of Python. This is not Python class. This is NLP class. In NLP, we use Python. So please listen and then you can understand. Are you getting me or not? So what I'm doing right now, I have one paragraph. From this paragraph, I wanted to know Chat GPT, how many times it repeats in the sentence. Normally, we called repetition, repeats in technical word we call as frequency. Okay, Mohammed, I want you to attend my classes, then it will start from beginning. Ruby, how many? This is a YouTube. Definitely you will get recording. Okay. Yeah, it's also considered one count. True, that's right. So text, this count, I mean, semicolon is 5 times, 2 repeats 3 times, text repeats 3 times, this one repeats 3 times, A repeats 3 times, generate repeats 2 times. Did you see distributions? What is meant by frequency? Frequency means how many times the word repeats from the paragraph, from the paragraph. Are you understand how many times the word repeats from the paragraph? This is what we done. So that's what we're doing. And for that, we write a small code using for loop word. I mean, each and every word, okay, in AI token. What is AI token? This is what AI token. These are called AI tokens. All right. And once we write down and word dot lower, I wanted to make all those things into lower cases. Okay, string convert to lower cases, and then I need to plus or minus equal to 1. If you contains text one time, then you mention 1. If it duplicate or if it repeats more than 2 times, then please apply loop plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that's what we done, guys. I hope understand now. So the next one, fdist, I wanted to check individual now for frequency distributions, and there is a word called text. So let's copy and I will text. How many times it repeats, guys? 3 times or not? Same output we got. And now let's copy this and fdist, and I can say every time you can use tab, or then you get your informations generate. Let's check 2 times, isn't it? This generate 2 times. I hope understand. So what we done, we in NLP, we installed NLTK to our machines, and first concepts we understood is tokenizations. In tokenizations, we use the package NLTK word tokenize. We convert all the text and split it to the tokens. Once it's split to the tokens, we make use of frequency distributions, guys. And then we write a small for loop to find out how many words repeats how many times. We can do this. We can do this. Everything is possible. All right, guys. And the next step, once you do this, now generate 2 times. I hope understand this one. But let's see the length of fdict. What is meant by length functions? I hope done. Total, how many words we have, guys? Total repeats. So you may question here, the tokens are 60. Here, the tokens are 60. But here we got 44. Why it is less? Anyone, guys? I get to know how many of them active listener or how many them here for just casual. Many duplicated. Very good, Roswell. What about others, guys? Distinct, because definitely excellent. Remove duplicates. Fantastic. Repetitions. Unique words. Excellent. Good answers, guys. Thank you for understanding. Exactly. Yes, Sai Shiva. Fantastic. All right, we done this now. The next step is, now tokenization is also split into 3 types, guys. So the tokenization is split into 2 types, 3 types. The first one is bigram, and second one is trigram, and third one is n-gram. What is bi? Bi means 2, tri means 3, n means more than 3, isn't it? So tokens with 2 word is called bi. And token in school days, I hope you guys heard about this: binary, tri, quadra, penta, hexa, septa, octa. Token with 3 words, isn't it? And then n-gram. tokens with more than 3 words, token with more than 3 words. So for this also, how my machines recognize how many tokens we're using. For example, there is a package called util from NLTK. So let's try this. Let's do this one more time, guys. Here, AI underscore tokens. Check this out. Okay. Did I miss something, guys? A underscore token. S is missing. Okay, this is AI tokens we have. Now, if I say bigram, tokens with 2 word, so ChatGPT is 1 word, is another word, isn't it? So it's a 2 word. So how to do this? Let's call the package from nltk.util import bigram, trigrams, and ngrams. I think it's a S is missing, and let's check this. I hope understand, guys. So let's pass all those things and we get these things, guys. Now let me talk about, I'll create, let me copy this one more time. Let's copy and I'll make it to, I'll create a new object string and I'll make it new object as string, and let's pass this team. No, there is no limitations, Rakesh. There is no limitations. All right, there is no limitation. So what I do, so we'll create another. So when I call string, we get this one. So let's try to do bigram is equal to, bigram is equal to. So I wanted to make a list of NLTK dot, when you click tab B, automatic the next word. So how do you practice? You write NLTK just dot, and dot means you call the functionality from NLTK, and B bigrams. These many functionalities we have, just click enter bigrams, and then what you have to do is, and then we need to pass tokens, guys. Tokens means we need to pass the string, and let's check this. string string. Did you see? And then let's try bigram, isn't it? So what happened? C and H. Why we got like this? Tokens. If I pass tokens, bigrams. Okay. Tokens. We got the 2 tokens, guys. So, but let me check string one more time. String. Okay, these are the string. We have bigram is equals to list of NLTK dot bigrams. And if I pass string, okay, or maybe I can pass to AI underscore token. And then let's bigram. Did you see, guys? Are you getting this or not? ChatGPT is. So here I will check this out. AI token. So we have this one. So ChatGPT is. This is bigram or not? 2 word. And then what is next 2 word? Designed and 2. Generate and a human like. So once you go up, did you understand him? This is all about bigrams. This is all about bigram. And the next one, what is trigram? So trigram is, can you tell me how many words we get? Can you tell me, anybody, guys, how many words we get? We get the words with 3 words. We get words with 3 words. So what are the 3 words? So 1, 2, 3. Good answers, guys. Thank you. So this is 3 words we have trigram. So how do you get 3 words? So what I'm going to do now, so I'll copy this and I will paste one more time, and I will change this list to by to try, and check this out. Trigram. Check this. Did you see we got 3 words or not? See, guys, yes, everything is possible. First we complete one by one, Gaurav, and then we can, yeah. All right. Yeah. Sequential clubbing. Yeah, that's called, I will come back all those things. All right. So today I have some things to decide, and I will talk to you as well if you have any questions. All right. So this is the trigrams we have. All right. Now the is design repeated. So repeated means what? There is no, yes, based on the tokens, it will print. That's it. For example, if you have A, B, C, D. So definitely AB will get as a buy. ABC will get as a try. So what is mean by that? So even though, so the purpose of bigram and trigram, good questions. Now, if you see, go to ICICI Bank, Google, and when you see the chart board, okay, and I will click ICICI Bank, let's open. And most of the, limitations, text, you no need to be write a big sentence, guys. So I will show you this one. Nilesh, I'll come back to these questions. What is the purpose of bigram, trigram? Very good questions. We should have been, so go to, now if you got this, what kind of, do you understand, Nilesh, now? What is the purpose? Is this bigram or trigram? Is this bigram or trigram, guys? Everybody. Now, what is the purpose? So the purpose is, are you clear, Nilesh, your question? So the two things is here, rather than I'll ask one statement as, let me check this out in text, and you can say, may I know your saving account? Right. So exactly, may I know your saving account? So when I feed these questions to memory, memory will take more time or not? Isn't it? It will memory consumptions, it take more memory consumptions. But if I change to saving account, what happened? The customers is understandable. So rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of here we use 6 words, but now here we use 2 words. So now the processing would be faster and easily understandable. I hope understand why we use this in real time. So everywhere in chartboard, we given this kind of things, guys. Nilesh, I hope understand. Yeah, let's close this. Now go to the next one. Go to the next one. So what we done, guys? We done here quotes ngram and everything's we done right now. And then trigram. Trigram we done, guys. What is trigram? List of trigrams AI tokens. Yeah, Krishna Sai, I already told you my mathematic basic is very poor. I want to learn. Before that, I want to know up extent where math is necessary or math skill to learn. Yes, math is required, Krishna. Yes, no problem. Math is required. But what I said, my demos are going on from last 2 days. I want you to come back tomorrow and then I will speak about this. What is bigram? Are you guys listen? See, the main problem is I already told you several times, Faham Hussain, let's say Faham Hussain. Your name is Faham Hussain, right? So Faham is one word, Hussain is another word. If I combine two, this is bigram. Tokens with 2 words is called bigram. Please listen properly, then only understand. Guys, to get a IT job, I want you to be more think like a mature person. Are you getting my point? All right. So clear. Now this is all bigrams, trigrams. If you have 3 words, now let's go to the n-grams. Let's complete that. Let's copy and I can write it as, and let's go back to trigrams. I hope you're done. And n-gram is equals to, and what you guys, we can pass n-grams and AI tokens. When you execute, we get error because it's saying you need to be pass one argument. So let's copy. What is meant by n? N means more than 1, more than 2. All this call is n-gram. So here, let's comma, and you can apply 4 and have a look at this. Where we got this? N-grams AI tokens, comma 4. And so I think this is 1. Okay. Did I miss anything, guys? NLTK.ngrams AI token or tokens? I need to remove the here. Let's pass here and let's do n-gram. So how many words, guys? What is n? More than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. When I say 4, we get more than 3 words or not? Now, let's copy this. Let's copy this and we can pass here. Then go to 5 and let's check this and n-gram. So we have 5 words, isn't it? So let's check. And now you can check this out. And we have say 10 means, or maybe 8. It will give n-grams. It will give you the words with 8 tokens, the words with 8 tokens. Team, are you understand? So what we done so far? So what we done, so we done a little bit, I introduce myself and then we discuss like what is NLP, what are the natural languages, what are the natural languages we have, and then we have like what is NLTK and how to install NLTK, and then we discuss what is tokens and how many tokens we use like bi, gram and trigram and n-gram also we done. And once we done with the tokens, what else guys? And we also discuss frequency distribution, how to find out frequency distributions also we covered today guys. This many things we covered so far. N-gram, when I talk about n-gram, that means more than 3 words, also called as n-gram, also called as n-gram. Getting my point? Now the next step is, let's start another techniques we understood. What is meant by stemming? What is meant by stemming? So the stemming means root form of the word. Can you tell me guys, everybody, affections, affects, affections, affected, affections, affecting, this belongs to, what is the root word guys for these words? Anyone? What is the core root word? Frequency distributions means, okay, Vijay Sai, let's say Audi car sold 10 cars sold, BMW 15 cars sold. So the frequency of Audi is 10. The frequency of statistics we call as frequency, normal we call as repeats. This is called technical meaning. Understand, Vijay Shai? Effects, effect, effect, isn't it? So this is called your effect. The how do we, so how, what is the root word? Let's understand some of the root words here. For that, from nltk.stem import, I can say there is a few things. Potter, stemmer. All right guys, when I call this package, my systems can identify effect is the root word. So let's try to pass in Potter stemmer. So let's say, and I can use, one moment, pst is equals to, let's copy this and hold here and check this. And just now, what is the word I said? Affections, right? Now pst.stem, and I'm saying pst.stem affections. So what is the root word everybody said? Effect or not? Isn't it? Root word is effect. Now affectioned, ed, this is effect. So what is the root word? Means the systems can give you, this is one of the techniques to clean the text cleaning. Text cleaning is very important guys. And I will tell you one of the, right after that we will discuss how to text scrapping from XML in Python. I mean the prerequisite, I mean to learn this is minimum Python knowledge required. And no problem if you don't know learn Python, I want you to attend the program which recently the batch has started, and then please try to understand. This is, can we give number of words to find the root word? Everything's we find, buddy. All right, everything you find. So one moment, I'll have another thing, like let's say I'll mention some list of words like words to stem equals to, and I can pass as, I can say giving, and another word called give, another called and loving and caring. Okay. And I mention as, okay, right, that's correct. Yeah. And then we have like something called typing and and words to stem. Tap this. This is what I have. This is what I have. And okay, you want to type donate, buddy? Let's try. Let's try donating. All right. Yep, we done this now. Donations. Okay, whatever, donating. Okay, I mentioned all those things. So here, yeah. So this is words to stem we have. For stemming, if we pass the word I form present and past, I will understand that. That's perfect. That's right. So words to stem, let's try to do this. And we will write a for loop, and I can say for words in words to stem, all right, and then enter, and I can say print. I wanted to print for these words, and along with I need slicing. Okay, I need to use for, I'm sorry, this is not plus. And once you do this, I wanted to pst.stem all the words. And here do this. Did you see, guys? Once you do this words to stem, what happened? Giving, the output is give, and give become give, loving become love, caring is care, typing become. Did you see? You get all the you get all these words or not, guys? You get all these words, isn't it, team? I hope understand everyone. Now, okay, so what exactly it gives us? It gives the root word. It gives the root word of these things, guys. For example, giving, give, loving, love, caring, care, and typing, you have type, and donating, you have type. Means what happened? What exactly? In interview, we're getting donate instead of donate. Yes, because what happened? I will tell you the stem based on, there is a Potter stemmer. What is Potter stemmer, guys? The Potter stemmer, he's a scientist, he's a researcher who create the algorithms to stem the root word before you train the model. So stripe affixes from the tokens and written, so it does not stem everything's what you expected. Let me tell you, stemming will be inbuilt functions, guys. Which one? Inbuilt functions. Okay, this is inbuilt functions. So the inbuilt functionalities, whatever it already designed, it will give you the same output. It will give you the similar output, guys, isn't it? What is meant by inbuilt functions? Let's say you buy a car. In the car, the engine is inbuilt. Do you modify anything? You cannot remove the engine, isn't it? Yes, you can do something. You guys understand? I'll give you some examples to make you understand if you're non-technical. So guys, understand him or not? This one. Let's go to the next step. Now, the next step is we have Potter stemmer. Do you know what is stem, the word? Now, I will have more technology, everything I'll get back to in my classes, personal classes. Let's understand what is Potter stemmer. We have three type of stemming, guys. One is Potter stemmer, and one is Lancaster stemmer, and one is Lancaster stemmer, and one is snowball stemmer. So there are multiple stemmer we have, and all those things we will discuss, not now, but at least you understand Markdown. So these are the stemmers. So today we understood Potter stemmer. Are you guys getting my point or not? Now the same things, if you pass Lancaster stemmer, that would be different. Okay, you get, let's check this. Lancaster stemmer. So for Lancaster stemmer, I will use this one, guys. I'm in from NLTK dot stem, enter, import Lancaster stemmer, isn't it? These are the techniques to stem the word. And I can say LST is equals to let's copy, and we can pass here, and let's try to print the words. And before that, I'm gonna go back and let's copy this code, and rather than PST, I want to pass LST. And do you see any difference among both? This is Potter stemmer, this is Lancaster stemmer. Any differences, guys? Team. So what you see, it is give a core root word, isn't it? It gives us the core root word, isn't it? Here in Potter stemmer, GIVE, we got output, and in Lancaster stemmer, we got GIV. GIV means E is missing. That means here it will give you core root form of the word. It will give you core root form of the word. All right, guys, I hope I'm clear. Next step. The next thing is lematizations. What is the next concepts, guys? Lematizations. What is stemming, guys? So, but the efficiency reducing is Lancaster. It will see again. I'm saying so. These things is definitely so you can while you write a text cleaning, you can use based on the client requirement. You can use Lancaster stemmer. You can use Potter stemmer. Understand, Tamanna Kartikeya? Yes. All right. So here, let me go back to the markdown. In lematizations. What is lematizations does? And in lematizations, it will give you complete meaningful of the word. So how we get this from NLTK dot stem import wordnet. Import what we guys? Import wordnet. Check this. And then from NLTK dot stem import, when you apply tab automatically, you don't need to type everything, guys. Wordnet lemmatizer. All right, guys. I mean, we call the lemmatizations. I will show you the difference of stemming and lemmatizations. Word underscore lem is equals to let's tab it and wordnet lemmatizer, and let me execute. So these are the packages. These are the packages. Using that packages, systems understanding this is tokens. Please apply the root form of these words. So that's why if you do not install the packages, then it's highly impossible to convert all the text. This is called artificial intelligence techniques, guys. And ChatGPT we built on top of NLP. So we feed tokens when you type in ChatGPT. So is it a token or not? Hi. One token. Hello. Bigram or not? This is bigram. Hi, hello. How are you? This is ngram. When I feed, it take input and then it transferred and give the answers to us. So there's a lot of things within it, and let's try to go to the next one. The next one is, where is this one? Okay. So import wordnet lemmatizer. Once we done wordnet lemmatizer, what are the words we have? Words to stem. We train these words right now: giving, give, loving, caring, typing, donating. These words we have. Using these words, what we do, guys, for this one, I can say, let's apply the same things. For words in, words to stem, all right, and then enter. I can say print and words plus, words plus, and then this one plus pst words to stem. I can pass here like word underscore lem, because word lem hold wordnet lemmatizer, word underscore lem and lemmatize. So how do you write down lemmatize? When you tab it automatically, we understood. We here pass words and then we pass words, then have checked this out. Let's wait for some time. So these words, do you see what is result we got, guys? What is result we got? Anyone? What results we got? Do you see complete meaning informations we got or not? Is it any, suffix stripe is not done. Similar words. We got the similar words, isn't it? Same words we find out. So I mean to say, I will make one list of things right now. I'll put as a markdown, and for Potter stemmer, if we pass the word giving, it will convert to what is answer, guys? Anyone? It will convert to give, isn't it? That's called Potter stemmer. That's called Potter stemmer. And Lancaster stemmer, if I feed these words to giving, what is output I got now here? What is output I got now? The output we got as GIV. GIV. All right. And the next one I can call as WordNet lematize. WordNet lematize. When we pass, if I pass giving, what is output we got, guys? What output we got? Complete word giving. Fantastic. Now in interview, if anybody asks what is difference between stemming and lemmatizations, would you answer or not? Would you answer or not? So the answer is stem. It will give you root form of the word, root form of the word, and lemmatizations. It will give you lemmatization. It will give you complete word, complete word. Isn't it? Great. Can we go to the next topic? Can we go to the next topic? The next topic is, the next topic is, would be output. That's right, Santosh. The next topic is stop words. Let's go ahead and we can understand stop words. What is meant by stop words? The stop words means in a sentence, the continuously speaking words is called stop words in NLP. So when you ask to this, so by learning data science, AI is very easy with the help of ChatGPT. So that's why the program which I designed now, I mean, from last 2 days, the full stack data science AI with ChatGPT. So what it says these words are removed from text data. I mean, stops can continuously noise reductions. What exactly noise reductions compute? So while you speak, what are the words we continuously speak, guys? The continuously speak, these are the words like the, okay, and all those things. I'll come back to this one. The stop words are the word which we speak continuously, okay, and frequently, most of the time. Which words we talk about the most of the time, guys? The, a, n. Isn't it about, what, where, which? Team, are you getting my point? These words we speak multiple time when we're talking to anyone, guys. No matter what languages we have, but of course, we are speaking these things in any of the language. For example, what are the stop words we have? And I can say, let's try this. To do the stop words, I wanted to say how many stop words we have in our English language. So for that, we need to say like from, one moment, from NLTK dot corpus import stop words, import stop words. Let's have a like check this. And then I can say stop words dot words. English is one language or not, guys? Do you have English one language or not? English. Now check this. Now my questions to everyone in this team, have you talked like I, me, my, myself, we, our, ours, ourself, you will, you would, your, yours, yourselves, he, himself, she, her, herself, it, they, them, all these things. Don't you think we speak largely on these words, guys? Agree with me or not? Agree with me, team? Now, if I say how many stop words we have English language, let's try. Let's try, and I'll scroll down. One moment. Just scroll down and apply a length functions here. And let's try this. How many stop words we have, guys? 179 stop words we have. Now let's try to, do we have other languages? Let's try to check French. French is national or international language? French is national or international language? So this is international. So check this. We do have these words. We do have, I don't know French. If anybody know French, then I hope you can find out, isn't it? So I don't pronounce because it's some sounds other meaning as well. So these are the, so let's try to check now length of ops and French 157. What is the length, guys? And let's try, I can say it Chinese. Okay. And I think spell, I think chain spelling, guys. No, I will try this. Yes, it will. Stopwords dot words in. Let me check the spelling of Chinese. Okay, thank you, Rakesh. Copy and I will check this out. Great. Anybody knows, guys? Anybody knows what are they speaking? Now that means your system understand Chinese language as well, Japanese as well, French as well. Did you understand or not? Now let's see. And I can say stop words. Okay. Dot words. And then I can have Chinese and let's apply length here. And let's check this. Wait, oh my God, it's 841, the highest one. Did you see? Yeah, I will try now. I will try now Telugu. So let's try. So this is what interview questions like when we pass international languages, we can find out the stop words. What are the stop words? Okay, the stop words means continuously when we speak these words like the, and words, and let's say Telugu and try this. We get a bug. Name, okay. So stop words. I'm sorry. Check this. So are you getting output or error, guys? Are you getting output or error? Now we getting error. I mean to say the this is what that's why there's a this is what interview question. The interview question is let's try Chinese. You will get output, isn't it? But when I change to Telugu and Control G, no, we get error, OS error. So if you experienced NLP engineers, this is what. So how to make this, how to create, how I get all the stop words in Telugu. Now, if you get in this is called, what about Hindi? Yeah, I will try to Hindi. This is also error, isn't it? Now let's say Marathi, then try. Now let's try Urdu. This is also now. What else? Okay. Now in my batch, one person says, as it is not in. Yes, Santosh, even though Tamil, yes. So I will try. And Tamil also. Now let's check this. Kannada also no. No, guys, not. Okay. Local language doesn't work. It will work on one conditions. That's why, sir, it's only accepting. That's true. It will accept because that's why the packages are defined. So now let's go back to this one and how to create. And even though that's called research, guys, why most of the students, they fly to US, UK to learn these codes? Because most of the students, okay, and most of the students, they learn data science because there's a more advanced things. What is advanced things? So do we need to research or not? So the next answer, if you have interview questions, I'll ask one questions. You can find the stop words for international languages, but why not for local language? And how do you fix this? And how to make this? This is what interview questions if you apply for any NLP engineer job role, if you have experience like 8 year, 9 year, and something like that. So this is what, for that, we already have a GitHub, and you can also find out the GitHub, and you need to write a C++ and Java code for that to get all those things, guys. To train model is local languages. No, that is not the answer. So now you can say stop words in Hindi. No, we need to be, because each region has which is different meaning. That's right. So stop words in Hindi, let's go back. We do have a GitHub in stop words, and I wanted to share this one. If you see, you need to install this package called npm install stop words. It's not hi, it's hi Hindi. Understand, team? Once you install this libraries, then it act like Hindi, guys. I hope you understand. I hope understand. So as every local language, the meanings are different, and how the local language is created based on local languages dictionary. We have Oxford dictionaries or not based on multiple slangs, multiple languages. So that's why the local languages has to be trained from Oxford dictionary, from some research papers, and then we need to train it, and we create a library for Hindi and local languages, guys. Local languages. Team, everybody clear the stop words part or not? Okay. And also you get Spanish, French, Telugu, you won't get all those things, guys. Now, so what exactly happened? My machines understand now what is words, what is sentence, and understand what is bigrams, what is trigram, what are the stop words, what are the stop words. You may ask a question, why we learn this? We learn this for text cleaning. Once you do text cleaning and we apply the vectors, because your machines does not understand what is meant by in languages, what is meant by Bangalore, what is meant by Hyderabad. So these text we will vectorize these text we will vectorize to these text will vectorize to number these text will vectorize to number, and then we convert to zeros and ones. Now machines understand zeros and ones or not, guys? I hope, guys, you heard about like imputation techniques, and we will implement over here as well. Now the next one, okay, NER, named entity recognitions, POS. So the next concept is POS. What is POS, guys? It's not point of service. It's a, what exactly, guys? POS, guys? Part of speech. The POS means part of speech. So do you remember in school days, our teachers, they told us English grammars or not, like nouns, verbs, and all those things. So how to, let me minimize, and I'll show this one, guys. So grammars are very important or not? In any languages you take, if you talk wrong grammars, the meaning of the sentence itself, it will change. Just go to the next one, POS, part of speech. All right. So this is in this tags and description. So we have, this is constant across the world. CC, CD, DT, prepositions, adjective, LS, models, plenty of things, guys. I mean to say, these things we covered. The dog ate the cat. So the is determiner, dog is noun, ate is verb, the is determiner, cat is noun. So how my machines recognize the grammar, let's understand now, isn't it, team? Now, to do this one today, we understand the next concept is part of speech. So here, heading, and then go to the next one, POS. POS means part of speech, isn't it? In the part of speech, what you do in the part of speech, so what you do, let's try to do. It will understand, it will give you the grammar of the sentence. What is mean by that? Just now I give you one example. The dog ate the cat. So the is determiner, dog is noun, verb is at, the is determiner, cat is noun. Now here, let's minimize. Once you do this, I will try to check this out. And then the POS, let's try. So you can write like that as, let's say I'll make one sentence. What sentence I will write? For example, I'll write as, Sam is, okay, I'll write one statement. Sam is, or maybe, thank you, or maybe I'll talk like that. Sam is natural when comes to drawing. Okay. And now let's enter sentence. So this is what I have, one sentence, and I wanted to create sent underscore tokens is equals to word underscore tokenize, and I pass sent to it, and sent underscore tokens. Check this. These are tokens or not? How many tokens, guys? And also you can have print and length of sent underscore tokens, and then close it. Check this. What happened? Tokens. Okay, or else maybe I'll cut this, and then length of sent underscore tokens. Isn't it? We have 7 tokens, guys. Isn't it? We have 7 tokens. True. So next step is, yeah, that's true. So we can find out this as, so how do we do? Let's try for loop and token in sent underscore tokens equals to, enter. Once we enter, what you do, guys, and to find out this, I want to print this as nltk dot pos. What is the package we need to use? pos underscore tag, and then once you pos tag, we need to pass sent underscore tokens. Check this. Oops. Is this it? Let's try what happened. For token and sent underscore tokens. All right, and print and tokens. Okay, I think I need to. Okay, that's right. So I think the small things are changes. All right. So here, what is the word? Sam. Names, places is noun or not, guys? Same is nouns, names, and nouns. This is verb. This is adjective. This is proverb. This is verb. And this is drawing, also a verb. Team, I hope understand everyone. I hope understand, guys. Isn't it? So how exactly, so what exactly happened? So this is all, we have many more thing. We have many more similar thing. I not covered everything in one class, guys. So today what we done is in NLTK, in NLP, heading, okay, in NLP, we discussed the concepts called NLU, natural language understanding. Do you see my machines understand the language or not? Online team, are you understand, guys? So don't you think the system, the machines understand the language? Using what, guys? Within some of the technology, with the help of NLTK, like tokens, like STEM, like LEM, like, and POS, and part of speech, and many more things, All right, guys. Now the next one, now the next concepts. What is NLG? What is NLG? What is mean by natural language generation? What is NLG? Let me go back and we talk about NLG. NLG means natural language generations. Very simple. Generations means what? It creates. So how to create? Let's discuss. For that, I wanted to introduce very important library you must need to understand is word cloud. From word cloud, what is meant by word cloud? This is a package import, I can say word cloud, isn't it? And then, and I'm called to, I hope in, if the data is numerical, how to visualize, team? If the data is numeric, how to visualize? Anyone? We have some visualization packages or not? If the data is numeric, we can visualize using We can visualize using matplotlib, seaborn, okay, plt, sns, and many more graphs visualizations. Now, how to generate this scatter plot? There are multiple things we have, guys, and those are the plotting techniques. But now, what is word cloud? The similar way, how to plot all those things here, just try. I will write some of this, and then I compile a matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Have a look at this. And once we're done, let's try. I want to make a cloud visualize all this text. For example, I have few words called Python, and then I can write as, and then Python. All right, guys, and Python, matplotlib, SNS, and gensim, sklearn, NLTK, and then NLP, and then I can Python, and I call it Spark. So some of the text I pass here. Okay. Now let me execute this. So when I said text, all the text informations we have. But now I wanted to create as a word cloud as, let's escape. Word cloud is equals to, listen to this, guys. And I can say word cloud, and I wanted to plot the graph with, one moment, let's check this, and a little bit. Width is 400, height is 200, and width is equals to 400 and height equals to 200. All right. And then have a shift tab. Shift tab means you will get all the informations, guys. And I wanted to pass margin, one second, and margin also, I don't want margin, so I keep it 0, and that's okay. And I want to say generate the text. Check this. All right, guys. So I wanted to visualize this text informations, whatever we have now. For that, and I want to display this image, plt dot I'm show. What is meant by I'm show, guys? Show the image. I am show means what exactly given? It gives us show the image, which file we want. I think we have word cloud also. We have display an image that is on 2D rectangle, and I can change to this word cloud, which I want to pass it, and then, and I have some main key factors. Okay, let me copy and interpolations, just one moment. Okay, I have anything, guys. Okay, this one, let's copy, and I will check to this one. All right. Oh, no, this is, one moment, guys. I wanted to, these are the format where you load the images, and bill linear. Okay, let's copy, and I will change to this one. Okay, and then I will close this. Once we done this, now plt see what is ambiguity. Ambiguity means, so there are some examples. I mean, the examples which makes confusing, that's called ambiguity. So how to recognize the ambiguity? We need to understand cosine similarity. For that, there's a concept called cosine similarity. Understand? See, ambiguity, that's theoretically, that's fine, guys, but for technically, we need to load the train the text data. To train the text data, if you write the text based on ambiguity, that it occurs, or else it never occurs. Understand? Yeah. plt dot access, and I can make it to off. Okay. And I don't want plt. Whose question is that? I hope, Kumar, are you clear, buddy? plt dot margins and x equal to 0. and y equal to 0. And then plt dot show. Check this. Do you see, guys, what happened? What we got, guys? What we got? We generate the word cloud or not, everyone? We generate word cloud. This is visualizations team. Is this visualizations or not? So now, what you meaning of this? There is a many word cloud we found. If you see some WhatsApp status, if you see some like Instagram, if you see lot of things, this word clouds are very important or not? Anybody tell me what is the meaning of the word cloud? The meaning is in the text we generate the language. So let me tell you, if I have all the stop words, don't you think the stop words will be repeats multiple times or not? If we have the stop words will be repeats multiple times or not, team? Definitely the stop words will repeat multiple times, isn't it? Python repeats means in this text, Python frequency is high. Repetitions of Python is high. So that's why, okay, Kumar, I will unmute you and then we speak you. First, what is meant by ambiguity problem? So are you listen the class and then we discuss. Are you getting my point? I will unmute you. I will tell you what is ambiguity problem. So shall I continue? And then I'll unmute you, then we talk. What is meant by ambiguity, guys? Two sentence meanings are different. Okay. The dog ate the cat and the dog will, I'll give you some of the differences. Now, let's say based on the training, the ambiguity will be removed. When you feed the data, then based on the feeding the data, when you write the sentence, which makes confusing, which makes dual answer, dual informations, that's called ambiguity. And we can remove the ambiguity based on the input, the way you train the text, the way you train these informations. I hope understand. And if not, I will get back to you. So guys, are you getting my point? So how to create this word cloud? How to create this word cloud, isn't it? All right, now the next step. So this is one format. What is the name of the format, guys? Let's go ahead and we can check this out, billionaire. And then I have other format as well. Just check this out. Can you try with other format? Bicubic. Let's copy and try this. Did you see? You got similar, and you can also multiple graph. And if you see what exactly word cloud does, it will give you the important. You no need to be read each and everything's in the article. For example, word cloud, when you go to images, did you see there are many images or not? The natural language, the word cloud would helps you to give within a few seconds, you can find out the meaning of the entire articles or text. So anybody tell me what is the meaning of this, guys? This article talks about some big data technology or not? Some technology. This technology speaks more about big data. This technology speaks more about big data. And the next one, what exactly it talks, guys? This technology, informations technology, what exactly it speaks? Anybody? Anyone, guys? And what about this one? If you see this word cloud, what you understand? I hope anybody answer, guys. It is more relevant to, very good. All right. So, yep, some relevant to healthcare. So did you see, if I give you one newspaper and if I tell you to find out, so what exactly, how you do this, then it is not possible, right? Then it is not possible. All right, guys. And about this one refers to the business. This one refers to the business. So all those things we can find out, guys. So definitely the NLG, natural language understanding, is very important or not, guys? Okay. So team, I hope understand. And now I will So NLU, NLG, I hope we're done, guys. NLP, NLU, and NLG is done. Yes. Another thing, I mean, just now, I think some of students ask about the questions. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means, let's say, if it is apple, apple is a fruit or apple is an iPhone. Did you understand or not, guys? Apple is a fruit or yeah. So there is the coding part is different, buddy. The code part are different. The codes part, I mean, many of the students already plot different graphs. If you see, like, I'm in 7:30 p.m. So some of my students, they plot multiple things. So one moment. So exactly. The words definitely, Nilesh. If you have lengthy word, if you remove all the noisy characters, stop words, then you get it. So I will show you some of my students, they plot different. This is what my students plot, like this shape, and just they are the students who working a lot with multiple graph. I think I saw one moment. Yep. So have a look at this. There are multiple files or not? The heart shape, the chart, the star mark, all those things are word cloud. But what is meaning of this? The word which is more highlighted, the word which is more highlighted, definitely that meaning is very high. Let's assume, guys, I'll give you one thing. In a debate, if Virat Kohli plays very well, in 10 minutes of discussions, Kohli's talk multiple times or not. So the frequency is very high. Okay. In different shapes, use this code for each and every, this one, the codes are different. So do you understand? You need to be write the, so just now I'm showing, are you understand? So what I'm trying to do, just copy this and I can send it to you. You can try this. Are you understand, Shweta Kulkarni? So look at this, they say, exactly, Ravi. It would be specific subjects. It would be specific subjects. This is all natural language generations. Okay, so that's why you need to be, so once you, and I mean, this is a little bit fast, I'm saying, because in the 1 or 2 hours, so it's a big sessions, guys, and a few things I cannot. Okay, now when I talk about ambiguity, some of they keep asking about 3 times. One of the students asked about ambiguity. So let's a little bit apple. When I talk about apple, is it a fruit or is it an iPhone? Isn't it? So the ambiguity means one word or one sentence, okay, or one phrase has different meaning, or all right, guys, has different meaning. So those technically we called as lexical, okay, we called it syntactic, we call it syntactic, and we call it semantic, and we call it pragmatic, okay, and all those things, okay, we will understand to remove the ambiguity problem in the statement. Okay, so when we used these concepts, when you use these concepts like lexical, like I mean syntactical, like semantic, all those things it will remove. So how do we understand all those things? So at this moment, if I explain everything, all other people will run away, because some of them understand, some of them not understand. So that's why I want you to be discuss in detail in the classes, and I hope you're clear, guys. All right, team. Yeah. Now, yeah. So have a look at this, guys. Now the next one. So today we complete NLP and NLG and all those things. Now, yes, sir, concepts all clear. Very good. Any questions so far, guys? Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, see, guys, many of the workshops people will come and go. One thing, in my already batch is started, and one thing I just wanted to highlight into you is, if you don't be a patience, see, people don't have patience to sit 1 hour, or people don't have sit for 2 hours. So no faculty, no institute, no nobody will help you until you sit and practice. So the learning data, no matter what, whether you take data science, whether you take cloud, whether you take Java, C, C++, Oracle, if you not sit and practice, no one would give you a job. Sir, I complete the course but not get the job. Complete the course means what? What you learn out of it. So that's why everybody's learning, but nobody applying, guys. Can we integrate Python NLP with the .NET projects? Yes, Aniketa, you can do this. We do have now same questions. Use ChatGPT largely because ChatGPT is very, very informative and most of the things. Now, Ankit ask this questions, .NET projects. Now, let me ask same question to ChatGPT and we get a solutions for this. All right. And let's go to this one. So rather than you asking questions, you can ask the questions to the Google Chat GPT. They would be the right guys to GAN. So the GAN is Generative Adversarial Network. So the GAN is the adversarial. This is most in recurrent neural network. RNN is advanced NLP. All right, guys. So we have RNN with the time series. And in RNN, the very important packages are LSTM and GAN. And those things is a advanced topic first. So how the sessions, the way I take session is, and entire data science, you can build in Python programming, you can build in R, you can build in PySpark as well. So in this 1 hour training program, there is many things I need to cover, but I do see there's a lot of things, there's a lot of advanced things is available. So the one who knew, so there's a few things. The one who knew, please attend the demo and clarify your questions, first thing. And every day, Monday to Friday, the new batch is going on at 10 a.m. This is the first thing. And if you already completed the course, data science, maybe not in Naresh IT, maybe somewhere, please apply the job. Please apply the job. Okay. And then try to attend interview. So maybe you think you know all those things, guys. Okay. And then another one, if you non-technical, but whether you complete or not completed, please apply jobs every day 2 hours. How to apply jobs? There's a strategy. And do you know, guys, how many students pass out every day? So there's a multiple student pass out. So why companies hire you? Why not other people? Also, we have IITians, we have like big guys and top big guns and the good college placed students as well. But how company hire you? What capability you have? Understand who you are, what you are, for what purpose you've been here, and what's your goal and what you're learning. And resume should not be copy and pasted. Resume should be built. And when you talk to your brain, you need to talk to your brain, guys. Then only resume is built. Shouldn't be copied from someone else. Are you guys getting my point? So you need to talk to the recruiter, interviewer confidently. That only you get placed, or else not. Or else Naresh IT never comes and I never come and talk on behalf of you, my dear students and learners and expertise, guys. I've been trained many CEOs, CFOs, managements, corporates, and big companies, big guys as well. Okay. Profile of senior Java. See, that's what I'm saying, guys. Anybody can learn this course. Okay. There is no limitations, but yes, to apply job, minimum qualifications required is graduate. Okay. If you're Java developer, that means there's no worry about code. You have 1 second. So there's no worry about the code. You just migrate and learned new algorithms, guys, and things are very much clear. So I will give you a little bit introductions of some of the courses which I covered in my program, which is just go to here. And already I want you to attend the demo which is going on, guys. And I want you to contact to admin for if you wanted to be enrolled, or if you at least listen and then adds up the, yep. Guys, are you getting my point or not? See, Freshers. When you talk about freshers, your resume sounds like experience only. See, if you ask you freshers, there is no domain looking for a freshers. I mean to say Java also they're looking for experience. C also looking for experience. C++ also looking for experience. .NET also looking for experience. Then data analyst also looking for experience. Then can I say there is no job for fresher? What's your answer, guys? Sir, my friend told that, my friend told this. He's your just a friend, isn't it? No, jobs are available for freshers. And how to apply the jobs, I already told my some of the students in my previous classes. And now, if you don't know, then I want you to be a little bit work on this. Or maybe I would have applied separate sessions on this, how to apply jobs for all those things, guys. Am I clear or not? So today, a lot of things I wanted to cover, but that's okay. I do understand these concepts are a little bit, I mean, things, and I hope you liked it. And today we discussed many things like analytic installations and all this. Now it's time to discuss about question and answers. Anyone have any questions, guys? And you can feel free to discuss with me, guys. Anyone have any questions? So I hope you like the sessions, months durations of this. How many months durations is this course? Okay, so when I will take 4.5 month to 4.5 month to, okay, and 4 to 4.5 months, or sometimes 5 months if I add some new technology sessions on ChatGPT usage. I already had a sessions on ChatGPT. You can find out my ChatGPT sessions under Naresh IT portal. You'll find out Kartikeya. Okay. Do you have any batch evening for working people? No, in my batch, every morning 8:32 people, some of the every working people only enrolled, guys. Means evening 7:30 to 10, or sorry, 7:30 to 9, most of the working professionals only they joined. See, who are my students? The students who already completed data science in other institutes, they are come back and enrolling once again. And they cleared the concepts, guys. Course name, full stack, data science, and AI with ChatGPT. With ChatGPT. Of course, why not? Yes, Kumar. So it is a possible, the reason being I'm into this industry from 17 years. So definitely in Kumar, I'm asking you one question. In BTech, we have 350 pages book. We got all the chemistry book and physics books. Do you think they covered or not? That means out of the 850 pages book, I mean, all the syllabuses and all those things, the core part is only 400 pages. Are you guys getting me? So in everything, you need to know what exactly required. So now in hotel, there are many food are there. We can't eat all the food at once, isn't it? So what exactly required, that's we covered. Prerequisite. So prerequisite, I will share one of, these are the prerequisite required. What are the prerequisites? One moment. One second, guys. Hmm. I think I need to open another slide. Okay. Let me open this one moment. Naresh and demo 3. Just one second. I'll get back to the prerequisite. Okay. So the prerequisites are all those things prerequisite. Non-technical student also can learn this course. If you're a freshers, you need to invest 4 hour to 6 hour time. If it's experience based on timing, if you're experienced working professionals, you need to spend 1 to 2 hours per day. We can please spend more time. No coding required, no math required, no stats required, no linear algebra required, just required active listening in the class. Attend the lab for both offline and online. Do not miss any sessions, guys. Okay, online team need to listen the sessions with clear and peace of environment. Listen the class with pen and paper and notebook and cricket. I mean, this is all those things I was talk about. A PyTest select, how to do the number plate detections, all those things I was talk about in my previous demos, guys. And then we have like complete the task and complete. If you, I'll give you more projects. If you complete 50 projects, then things would be good. Apply the resume in job portal after 2.5 months. See, always remember practical is always speaks rather than theory. First thing, in organizations, 9 hours you have to practice. Understand, guys? So practical is very important. Theory, many people will say theory, theory, theory. But if you get to see, you understand when the time goes up. My many students placed, and I don't want to show all those things. Maybe you can trust me. You cannot trust. It all depends on you guys, isn't it? And apply the resume. So what exactly in my sessions, I'll make resume in 2.5 months. And to require this, to learn this prerequisite, I need your dedications, time, and you have a proper goal, and then prepare resume and interview, then offer, guys. This is what it required. Am I clear, guys? So this is prerequisite is required. Okay. And to get placed for non-tech guy, definitely, even though there is no concepts, data science combination of 5 to 6 skills, guys. Complete one skill. See, when you go to organizations, there is a Java developer. He will work only Java, .NET developer. He will work only .NET. Machine learning, he will work on machine learning part. So in the data science, we have machine learning, we have NLP, we have AI. One part you fit. So that's what I'm saying. I'll complete one part, you prepare resume and apply. Let's see. Attend the interview. If you're still that extent. No, we Aditya, it started just 2 days back. Course fees with recording 25, without recording 18K, Susmita. Do you have new batch at 7:30 p.m.? No, we are right now. I have a 7:30 p.m. batch. I'm explaining deep learning and artificial intelligence for them. We complete NLP, we completed machine learning and all those things. Clear, Santosh? Yeah. Right now, the new batch is morning time. Anybody have any questions, guys? Take a resume building sessions for all. Definitely, guys. The reason being, I want to show up one thing because the students, my few students, they got placed in Walmart, and I will show you how I make a resume for her and feedback placed. These are students they placed. I have all the offer letters, and one of the students placed, and everybody is my students itself. Now let's open, and this is offer letters and this is email confirmations, and she's my student. So now people looking for a proof. For the proof purpose, I need to save all the details. Now, congratulations, Walmart Lab. Do you know what is Walmart, guys? The biggest competitor of Amazon, the biggest Fang, Mang, all those things we can say. Yeah, then let's close this. And this is what resume is. So I'll give some of the sample. And so by the resume itself, you can understand. Or if you can find her name in LinkedIn as well, you can find out. Oh, this is what skills: Python, R, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, big data, PySpark, Hadoop, Hive, all those things. Also, I covered Azure ML, AWS, SQL, Pandas, NumPy. What are the projects she mentioned? She's a EC, non-technical student, and she get placed in Walmart and default risk analysis, churn predictions, and sentiment analysis, robust algorithms for detections of clonical forgery. So these are projects we. Yes, she's a fresher. She's a fresher. Yeah, she's a fresher. And her package she got as, one moment. I'm showing this one as well. And offer letter, because when my students they placed, I will collect the offers for them as well. And did you see 13th February she joined, and the package, I'll show the, okay. One moment, data science engineer. And I think somewhere it be 5 lakhs. And also I have recently my 7:30 p.m. If anybody of 7:30 joined, my one student, she also placed in TCS now, and her name is Monica. And look at this. So this is all the things we discuss. I do talk with my students, then only the offers come, or else not. So Monica from 7:30, hi sir, good evening. I got my joining letter from TCS. I said, wow, congrats. Now shared the offer. Now this is the offer she shared. These are not fake, guys. And the offers which I'm showing, these are not fakes. No institutes, they can open up in WhatsApp chat and all those things. The Susan, the one which I showed right now, okay, and she's the student who placed in this one, guys. I mean, I guess getting my point, all those things. There are many students they placed because I'm discussing. See, they shared the resume. I said, please check once, and I'm checking and get back to this. So then only it is possible, or else it's not possible. I hope understand, guys. Any more question, team? Any more questions to anyone have? Maybe let's open the chat window. See how my students prepare a notes. How my student prepare a note. Another student, his name is Chakra Sai Teja. See, when he attended the demo, she placed in HCL as a freshers. And look at the WhatsApp discussions. I mean, these. So here, so she mentions, sir, great, dear. And what is the package he got as a fresher in HCL 5.5 LPA? And one moment, I'll show all those things. On board Chakra Sai Teja. He's a non-technical, mechanical, guys. And in mechanical, when he see, this is what classrooms we create when you enroll the sessions. And I mean, team, let's congratulations, Sai Teja. Today he got offer from HCL with the package. You made within a month, and you're the first persons in this batch who got this offer. Super great. And let's discuss in the class sessions. So the students who got placed, I will appreciate. And this is what resumes. And this is what I'm freshers, and I have attended HCL Drive, and yesterday I have completed my HR interview for some technical questions. Your notes has helped me, and good news, I have placed. Trust me, guys, he's one of the are you guys prepared the notes like this? Let me show this PDF. Okay, so in the demo one, what I covered, just go up. Okay, topics to covered in the 5 months. I mean, this is, he mentions the demo one class sessions, demo class one topic. What is data science? What is Excel data? What is image data? What is video data? What is audio data? What is streaming data? What is sensor data? What is XML data? Demo class two. I show the practical demo class two. So he is my student, and I show the architectures. What is machine learning? What is NLP? What is deep learning? What is all those things I cannot complete in workshops, guys. This workshops can combination of everything. And then once you scroll down, learning points in the Python codes, what are the topics I covered, all those things he mentioned with pen and paper. What algorithms I covered, simple linear, multiple, polynomial, gradient, L1, L2 time series, logistic, SVM, decision tree, all those things I covered. And the next one, sklearn, framework for machine learning, NLTK, framework for text data, TensorFlow, framework for deep learning, server. What is meant by server? It is a machine which is on for 24/7. That means when you log into Amazon.com, when you wake up at morning 3 o'clock, do you think Amazon server is down? No, the server is always up. So that's called server. What is package? What is module? What is functions? Now demo 3. Look at this, guys. I mean, what is forward index? What is backward index? And in the demo 4, what are the roadmap to data science? Are you maintaining the notes like this? Answer me. Answer me. If you not maintain, have you ever designed your architectures? I mean to say, to construct the house, okay, we plan for 6 to 7 months to construct our job. Have you make a architectures for your life? No. If not, please do so. Think where you at 25 age, where you at 30, where you at 40, where you at 50, where you at 60. Plan it, guys. Then things will work. Are you guys getting my point? Trust me, guys, nobody help you. Okay, no one would help you in the world. You only help yourself. The fact thing, how do you help yourself? By learning positive thoughts, technology. And look at this. So that's why he got placed, because they ask the Python questions, immediately clarify. if else, and we write identifiers and all the basic parts, and you clear all these questions, guys. Team, are you understand? Now, why I'm showing all those things, most people don't know what is the reality, guys. Okay, so because your friends told that, you also come back. I want you to think and take an actions, guys, from now on. So whatever happens, live it. But now I want you to be take care of this one. Maybe for some of them, it's all those things just not make sense, but some of them it does make sense. Thank you, team. Okay, RGV, unmute you. Yes, please. Unmute you.
Sir, can you share those PDF and the resume example?
No, right now I cannot share. I will admin, you can share too. Admin will give it to you. Okay.
Where?
Okay, RGV.
Means where you will share? Means in group or
Yeah, I said,
in the
yeah,
demo section I have login.
okay, so I said, see, this is workshop. See, I'm a faculty of NIT. I have to follow some rules for them as well, right? So they will
Yeah.
share. Okay, RGV.
Okay, I'm not getting anything. Okay.
Okay. See, RGV, I hope you're not getting anything. I mean to say, I cannot share it now. I have some protocols I need to follow. If not, you can come back. So that's why there is a things, and then they will share all those things. Are you guys getting my point? Okay. Now, Venkat, unmute you.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, my name is Venkat. I have completed MBA Finance 2015.
Mm-hmm.
So, the choose for data science good, sir?
Yes. So what exactly I'm saying, can you attend the demos which are going on from a day before yesterday?
Okay.
RGB for you also, buddy. If you need sessions, I want you to be, it's okay. You take the admin will help you. No worries. Okay. Yeah, Venkat, what happened? The demo is going on for morning 10 a.m. I want you to meet and I can talk to you over there as well. Or if you're in Hyderabad, you can come back and attend offline, guys. Okay. And you can talk to me directly.
Okay.
Okay. So most of freshers, they think they knows all those things. Trust me. Okay, most of things, whatever they want, they need immediately. Okay, just
Yes.
now, means required today. I need to be complete this. Not happen. Be patient, guys. I have some protocol, and I cannot go out of the protocol, isn't it, team?
So,
Yeah.
actually, I have accounts domain is, I think domain change.
No problem. Yes, you need to be changed the domain. Then only you get your good package, right?
Okay.
See,
Sir, that
even though.
time, okay, after completion course, in case interview time asking any experience.
Of course. So that's why we give the projects called BFSI domain. Like AI can implement to banking domain, SCM domain, marketing domain, and healthcare domain, and many more domains we have. So how AI is planted in all the domain is important. All the domain is important. So I will tell you in the sessions, in the class, that's what the session is designed for 4.5 months, where I will take out all the steps very slowly and then we covered up. Understand, Adit, I think Venkat?
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
but machine learning and deep learning very lengthy topics, but is covered in
See,
5 months.
definitely it is covered, guys. If is so, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I hired almost like 5 students now, and all are the machine learning engineers, guys. So I will show one offer, and if I not covered, how do you think they get a job then? Did you understand or not?
Okay. So it's
Okay.
covered in Tableau and
Yes, it is Tableau covered.
SQL.
Yes, I covered Tableau as well. So what I said, I want you to join in the demo, and then I will give you a recording sessions. Okay. And 2 days, you can attend the sessions. Then you can ask a question.
Oh. Sir, is data science Azure is learning is mandatory?
No, Azure ML is cloud is mandatory, guys, because in normal Gmail only, if you stored more than 15 GB, it's point towards cloud or not. The Azure ML is mandatory for deployment. We need to go for deployment. So that's why the cloud is Good if you learned.
Is separate, sir? Is Azure ML?
No, see, it's in data science, everything comes up, guys. It will comes up like, that's what I'm saying. When you have, so we covered Azure, okay, Tableau, R program, Python, stats, and ML, machine learning, NLP, neural network, deep learning, all those things cover in the data science. That's what we called as full stack data science. And this is not theories. In my sessions, I'll give more practical. If you look for the theories, don't come. If you practice, then come. Very simple.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And Aditya, unmute you, and
Hey,
Lahu,
sir.
unmute.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Three questions, sir. One question is like, how many models are we going to learn in deep learning? And are we eligible to create a real-time projects which are currently booming in the industry? And I stay at America and I'm looking for online classes.
Okay,
Okay.
very good. So the first thing, when I say live projects, I'll give you one live projects. The project is loan risk prediction. Okay. Now let's say loan, even though in this generations we want loan, my kid also want loan, his kid to kid also want loan, isn't it? So loan, who's given? Banking industries or not?
Yes.
Understand what's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya, right? So now let's say insurance. Can you tell me insurance will shut down tomorrow? Yes or no? Answer me.
No,
No, right? Now many people are change insurance from one company to other company or not?
they do.
So it is a live or not live?
Live.
So these are the live projects. Now in your resume, when you mentioned loan defaulter prediction, when you say it would be live projects or not?
Yes, it will be.
Now, definitely in an organization, you must need to understand to whom you provide a loan. I mean, who was the client? It would be like Wells Fargo. It would be like DBS Bank. These are the client. And to do the projects, what ML model you built and what is deployment you done? And do you face any issues, any challenges? When you explain these things, this is what one of your projects, guys.
Okay. So, sir, I don't have any prior experience. I'm completely a beginner to this. And do you teach all the stats, machine learning and everything?
I will teach, buddy. See, buddy, I will tell you one thing. Did you see many of them placed? Okay,
Yes,
they
sir.
also like you, and they are not fake. You can find out them. One of my students, he placed in US is 80 LPA. His name is Sayed. All
Okay.
right. And one of the students, they fly to Canada to do the job. They don't know. They paid 50 lakhs. They learned. And after the course, they become a freelancer. Are you understand? The
Yes.
earning and explanations, all those things.
Mhm.
Getting my point or not?
Got you, sir.
Okay, thanks.
And one more thing, sir. So how can I
Please.
join classes from tomorrow?
Okay, I think one moment. I will share one Zoom link to everyone. So maybe I have 1 second. Inbox and okay, 25th June, not this. You can reach out to admin or 10M. Yeah, this is the link, demo link. Let's copy and give you the chat window. Everyone. Okay.
Perfect, sir.
Yeah, I want you to attend the demo. You learned a lot of things, guys. See,
So
I'm
how
all
to take, sir,
yeah.
along with, like parallel to you, if I can dedicate almost like 3 to 4 hours every day,
Why
will I
3
be?
to 4 hours? Why not maximum?
Because I'm currently working as a business analyst, sir.
Very good. So I will, if you enroll, then I will in 2 months, I'll give resumes. I want to switch to business to data analyst or data scientist.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. In 5 months, 4.5 months, I'm not telling my students to please complete the course, apply the job. I'm telling my students to whatever you learned, make a resume, apply. Let's see. If job's not getting, I'm here, guys. I'm helping you. I will help you. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Lahu, unmute you. You can reach out me at LinkedIn as well,
Hello.
guys. Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Actually, sir, I have completed graduation and post-graduation in BSc Mathematics. Actually, I don't have any experience in this field,
Hmm.
and I do have experience in marketing field for 6 years.
Mhm.
Currently, I am 30 years, 32 years old, and
Mhm.
I want to change my domain like this artificial intelligence and Python learning. Is this possible? Please guide me accordingly, sir.
The answer is 200% possible. The
Okay.
reason why, marketing. So if you look back like 10 years back, there was no digital marketing, right? Do you see
Correct.
digital marketing? No, there is no digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is reached the level where no need to go for, I mean, it is a booming now. Advertising, marketing. So if you don't do any market, no product will be sale. Now, what exactly the marketing happens? Now, let's say there's a 3 products, A, B, C. Your machines will recommend in next month which product will be highest sale. This would be predictions. Did you understand, Lahu, what I'm saying? So, are you unmute you? Are you understand? Yeah, what I'm.
Yes, I understand.
So that's why the answer is what you need to do. I want you to spend every day 4 hours to my practical session. And I will tell you where you are using this algorithm in real time. For example, you book the flight tickets, right? When you
Oh,
book the
okay.
flight tickets, the model, the machines predicts that your ticket will confirmation 78% yes or no.
Yes,
You will.
right.
So how exactly happened? 5 years back, this technologies was not there, guys. This technology implement because there is a algorithms called Bayesian theorem. So what is Bayesian theorem? I need to understand when you enroll the sessions. So the answer to the questions, very simple. If you not learn now, then you must learn in after 5 years as well.
Right.
After 5 years as well. Understand, guys? Clear?
Yes, understand. Clear.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And thank you, guys. And I think you can meet me at the demo. And okay, so 1 second. Special. Some of them questions are DS graduations. Yes, it is possible, sir. If possible, could you please share the Git link of the need to practice purpose for the futures? I will share the GitHub link, not now. Or you can find out over there. And so DSA is good for futures because I'm bit definitely everybody has to. So that's why in school they're learning AI as well, isn't it? See, there's no student called average. Why you think so that you come back to me, I will make you average to fantastic. Understand, Sashi? I mean, Sai Shiva, cybersecurity cloud. I'm planning to choose either DS or AI. Both are same. Cricket and batting, both are same or different? Suresh Reddy, both are same. The same way, DS AI is part of the data science. So please learn both. I wanted to take demo sessions. Please, you can, please, I already shared the link to you, everyone. Please have a look at it and take down YouTube link and notes, sir. Yeah, I think once after that only you will get it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Hari, unmute you. Saurav Kumar, unmute you. 1 second. Gaurav.
Sir,
Gaurav.
I already completed data.
Okay.
I'm not getting any job. Currently, my graduation is also not over yet.
See, I'll tell
And
you, Saurav, I'll tell you. Many
yeah,
people complete B.Tech, right? They not
yeah.
get a job. So what you do then? What are you doing now if you not get job? Tell me honestly. Are you talking to someone? What are the things you covered and what are the things you learned? Tell me first that one. So can
So,
you, okay, let's wait. I'll ask one questions. What is gradient descent?
so gradient descent is a classification algorithm
Wow, man, it's completely wrong answer. Okay, what are the classification algorithms? Can you tell me?
K means class. K means clustering.
K means is clustering classification different. Why you considered? K means is unsupervised, classification is supervised. This is your concept is not clear. So that's why who do you think you'll get a job, man? No one will give you a job. If I ask you one question, what is 2 plus 3? You answer -5. Not going to work out. So this is the problem, guys. So if I ask you, do you have a lunch? You're saying, no, yesterday I went for play for a cricket. Not going to happen. I don't ask where you complete all those things because I don't point out anyone. I want you to what you learned and did you see, and the learning is completely incorrect. I will give you one detail architectures, then you guys can understand. One moment. 1 second. Just give me some time. Saurav, right? Stay with me.
Yes.
Okay. This is, did you see my screenshot? I mean, go to slideshow and okay, these are the classification algorithms: logistic regression, support vector, decision tree, naive Bayes, KNN, random forest, adder boost, cat boost, XGBoost. When I ask classifications, you talk about k-means. Is it correct answer or incorrect answer?
Incorrect answer.
Now you understand?
Yes.
Now, next one, gradient descent. Did you see here gradient descent is regressions? And when I start gradient descent, you said this is one of the classification algorithms, which is wrong. So this is pipeline, data science pipeline. So see, many people will explain data science, guys. All right. So anyway, I hope you understand. So all those things we covered later part. Thank you. Okay, Hari, unmute you. And Gaurav, I think unmute you. Please go ahead. How may I help you?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gaurav here, sir.
Hi.
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So one thing, sir. Actually, uh, uh, I want to ask, sir, how well in Max we'll go in depth, sir.
Very good. Good questions. How in detail math we are going, right?
Yeah.
I will show you my one student some math formulas, because go back to downloads and documents prepared by learners, data science formula, very important. So when I talk about math, I will show you the formulas. Did you see? These are the formula sheets prepared by my students. All right. And let's, as you asked this question, statistics, descriptive. And before that, I'll open another one. Formula sheets. New. One moment. Entire machine learning is a math. So this is all equations for it. Degree of freedoms, populations, point estimators, coefficients. And then we discuss what is linear regressions, what is multiple linear, what is covariance, what is G-score, chi-square test, degree of polynomial, hyperplane, F value, cost functions, lasso,
Yes,
which
sir.
error
I
rate.
can see that, sir. Like for example, I can, sir, these are the direct formulas, sir. For example,
Wait. These are direct formula implement in naive. See, this is one formula, right? Let's
right.
say, so this formula implement in one of the algorithms called naive Bayes. Okay. And in flight price predictions, these formula only implement to have a future probability predictions.
Yeah.
Understand? I'm not give you the formula. I'm not assign the formula to do this. I am saying these formula we need to understand for an algorithms called random forest, support vector machines, and
Right.
Bayesian theorem. So these formula implement, you need to know why you need to implement. Let's say, okay, I will get back to small resolutions right now. Let's assume Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, the petrol cost is 100 rupees. Tuesday, it is 200. Wednesday, it is 300. Thursday, it is 400. Can we plot the data point, Gaurav? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4. Now, can you tell me what is the equation of the line?
Linear equation it will
What
be.
is the equation? Y equal to mx plus c or not?
Right.
What is x to the power degree?
So 1
If I change x to the power square, what happened?
quadratic it will be.
Can I get linear or non-linear?
Non-linear.
Perfect. If I change x to the power q,
Cubic. Yeah.
if I to the x to the power 4,
Yeah.
it will again a parabola. It's a non-linear. So if I ask you one question, that the algorithms called linear regression algorithm, where exactly this equations implements? This equations implements in stock price predictions and petrol price predictions, gold price predictions. This is historical data we have. We build the model. We pass the future data. The model predict what could be the petrol cost on Friday, what could be the petrol cost on Saturday. So this equation would help you to fix out this problem. Are you getting me?
Right, sir. Right.
Now you clear?
So one more question, sir. Like,
Please.
I have seen like entropy formula is there. So, sir, will you take some small sample and will try to make a sense that how it is used in that random forest and example green?
Definitely, definitely. See, I'm telling you, right? You love it, buddy. Trust me, because I'll give you a lot of work. See, I will talk
Because
about
of one thing, let me what I see in the market is people are not explaining the beauty of Max, sir. Even a
exactly.
sense of it.
I do understand. No one will explaining. They once they pay the money, things are done. Okay, as you asked this question, so I'll have evening batches, evening batch 7:30 p.m. Okay, and June, you talk about let's say this is k-means and this is called end-to-end deployment, and as you talk about decision tree, right?
Right.
So now I have one data set. Look at this. This is all about math. So what is the equation? These are math equations or not?
Right. Correct.
So we have the data set. This is the data set.
Yeah.
My question, how to create a tree from the data set? Are you getting my point?
Right.
How to create a tree? Who do you decide what would be the root node? Who do you decide what would be the leaf node? What is meant by informations gain formula? Why we need to compute the formula? And then if I explain these concepts, then you can do the hyperparameter tuning. What is hyperparameter tuning? Very simple. In DT, we have parameters like informations gain and all those things we have. So did you see I may explain all these things to my students? That's why this formula, and based on the solutions, we get to know this is the way we finally, what is the depth of the tree? This is one depth. This is second depth. So the max depth is 1. But another question is how the old is come here, how these things come here. The math is in every algos I covered math. I hope you attend some of the demos, so that's why you ask these questions, but I love to answer these valid questions, guys. I hope you can understand now.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Every algorithms, I will teach math first. Let's see, boosting. And in the gradient boosting algorithms, we have some mathematics, how to apply the maths, what would be the residuals, and then I will come back to the topic. Understand math means understand algorithm.
Correct.
Clear, Gaurav?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thanks.
Thanks. Yeah, Hari, unmute you. Okay, Prashad, unmute you.
Hi, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I am working Capgemini. Last 5 years, I am working Java developer. Okay,
Very good.
but
Okay.
I want to know data science some algorithms. Actually, they are asking to the migrate the our Java application to the
Which
ChatGPT
algorithms?
level.
Okay.
Yeah, time series they are asking. Mostly my banking. I am working Standard Chartered client bank locations.
Okay.
But
Okay.
they are asking the time series algorithms efficiency level.
See, just now, one moment, I'll show you. Did you see we have a concepts here slide? So time series very important. Do you know there is a project called stock market? Stock and trade is biggest challenging factors in entire world economy. So time series analysis I'm covering. In time series, what exactly we will cover? Auto regressions, AR model, MA model, ARMA model, Arimax, Serimax, all those things. So time series is part of the data science. For the time series, you no need to be learn entire data science. Very simple. What's your name? I think I forgot. Prasad, right? Prasad, unmute you. Isn't it Prasad or Hari?
Oh, sorry, Hari. It's sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hari, one
Hari.
moment. Yeah. So just go to Hari. What exactly you need to do? Why you need to do a time series? Let's time series. What's your predictions, guys? What do you want to do? Time series with? Hari, answer me.
Yeah,
What is your
stock market.
standard market?
Yeah,
Bank.
standard
Can you spell it?
chartered
Standard
bank.
Chartered.
Standard
How to
chartered
see?
bank.
ChatGPT is there. How to implement? Standard Chartered Bank is there. In bank, what is the use case? Understand first. See, if you don't know the questions well, how do you answer? How to implement time series in bank? Apply this.
Yes, that
Okay.
is the question, sir. Actually,
That is the questions, but you different Standard Chartered Bank, you said. Implement time series in various things like data collections and then data pre-processing and then skewed distributions. What is skewed distributions? You need to understand statistics. What is, skewness? What is curtoise? EDA. So you time series modeling, as I mentioned, AR, MA, recurrent neural network model training. What is MA? What is MSc? To build small things, you need to be learn entire things, guys. So yes, I will also share a few projects to my previous students. I shared a lot of projects on stock predictions on bank, stock predictions. But now, as you talk about, so when you ask some questions to the manager, ask to the manager. Don't simple nod your head and come back. Ask, sir, you saying time series in bank. What I wanted to do, tell me that. Then I will answer. Are you getting my point? I
yeah, sir.
said,
I will
I
get back to you. Okay,
yeah.
sir.
So what exactly? I'll give a bike and key. I said, go. Where you go? Are you getting my point? So he will say standard chatted. What do you do? There's a multiple thing. Ask, sir, what is the requirement? What I need to do? Give me the details. I will get the solutions. Clear? Ask this and then come back. I'll give you solutions for you.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Prashad, yes, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I have joined the another batch, Daniel, sir, but
See,
before 2 days ago.
okay.
Just I have confirmed. Can I change to the another
No,
batch?
these things you can ask to admin, guys. All right. Please, you can ask to the admin about this. Okay. Yes, Prashad.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, thanks. Bye. All right, team. Thank you so much. I hope you like the sessions and we talk to you. We catch up on the demo sessions. If you really like it, I want you to be enrolled or understand, because I'm the guy very practical and there's less theories, more practical. If you want to stay tuned with practical, change your career, please attend, because I changed a lot of students' careers and you're one among them. I will help you a lot for entire time. So this is what I promise you. Thank you so much. And we'll discuss a later part. Have a good week and good day. Bye, team. Thanks.